Hello, teacher. Today I am going to present to you the blog that I did using the tool that I found on Google. It is called Blogger, and I am going to read the two paragraphs with the IPA symbols. And now I am going to start reading the first paragraph. This morning I stepped outside expecting the same dreary drizzle we've had all week. The sky, however, was surprisingly clear. Not a single cloud in sight. The air was crisp, the sun gentle on the skin, and the trees, still damp from the night before, sparkled under the golden light. I paused for a moment and thought, could it really stay like this all day? It almost felt too good to be true. Usually, when we get a morning this bright, it means a front is moving in, and sure enough, off the distance, a few clouds started to gather. They weren't dark or threatening just yet, but they hinted at a possible change. So I grabbed my jacket just in case. Now I'm going to read the paragraph number 2, and for all of them I'm using the intonation, falling and rising intonation. I'm going to read the second one. By early afternoon, the temperature had climbed noticeably. People were out walking their dogs, some wearing t-shirts and sunglasses, as if summer had returned unexpectedly, but then the wind shifted. A cool breeze blew in from the west, and the clouds thickened. You could sense it in the air. Something was coming. Was it going to rain again? Would the sunshine hold out until evening? Or was this just one of those teasing days that starts off beautiful and ends with thunder? Nobody seemed quite sure. Some people hurried to pack up their picnics, while others stayed, stayed put, watching the sky and hoping for the best. As for me, I kept my umbrella close, just in case the weather decided to surprise us again. That's it. Thanks for watching.